Hello, friends. Welcome to the fascinating world of global psychology. I'm Dr. Manjari Khurel, a rehabilitation psychologist and educator. Brought a very important video for you in which we will talk about what is psychology, how its definitions were made, and some authentic definitions. So, without wasting time, let's start our video. Have you ever wondered why we think, feel, or act the way we do? Do you have any answer about it? But I have. It is psychology. Because psychology is the scientific study of behavior and mental process in which behavior includes all of our overt actions and reactions such as verbal and facial expressions and movements. In this picture, you can see how individuals react and express their feelings. Next, mental process refers to all the internal and covert activities of our mind, such as thinking, feeling, and remembering. Psychology is the scientific study because to study behavior and mental processes, psychologists use scientific method to understand more precisely and accurately. The term of psychology has origin from two Greek words, psyche and logos. Psyche means soul and logos means study or explanation. Thus, the literally meaning of psychology was the study of the soul or science of soul. Now, we will move toward the definitions of psychology. But before moving toward it, we will have to look on how its definitions were made. Firstly, it was defined as psychology was the study of the soul. The earliest attempt at defining psychology of their origin to the most mysterious philosophical concepts, namely that the soul. What is soul? How can it be studied? The inability to find clear answer to such questions led some ancient Greek philosophers to define psychology as the study of mind. Then it moved towards the study of mind. Although the word mind was less mysterious and vague than soul, yet it also faced the same questions, namely what is mind? How can it be studied, etc. This definition was rejected and then it moved towards the study of consciousness. The description and explanation of the state of consciousness is the task of psychology, which is usually done by instrument introspection method. Introspection method is the process of looking within. This definition was also rejected on the grounds that it could not include the study of consciousness of animals. It would not include subconscious and unconscious activities of the mind, and the introspection method for this study proved that it is the most subjective and unscientific method. Then it moved towards the study of behavior, the most modern and widely accepted definition of psychology even today is the study of behavior, both human and animals. Now, we will talk about some authentic definition of psychology. William McDougall wrote about psychology in his book Outline of Psychology. Psychology is the science which aims to give us better understanding and control of the behavior of the organism as a whole. John B. Watson also defined it as the science of behavior, including animal behaviors. Next, Skinner also defined his psychology as the science of behavior and experience. Crow and Crow also define its psychology as the study of human behavior and human relationship. Today, psychology uses scientific methods to explore everything from daily habits to deep emotions. It's practical, universal, and super exciting. So, from the study of soul in 400 BCE to the science of behavior in the 90s, psychology has become a law. Now, this video ends here. How did you like this? Please comment below. And if you want a video on a specific topic, you can write about it in the comment section. After getting 100 comments, I will definitely make a video on that topic. Here, I want to inform you that I will make video on all topic of psychology. So be connected with me and subscribe my channel for getting notification about it. So we will meet in the next video with an interesting topic. Till then, take care and stay tuned.